Welcome to Bergen Cape Terminal, BCT, the new energy asset for South Africa. We store and handle hydrocarbon products in the Port of Cape Town, South Africa. We are committed to protecting the health, safety, and environment of all people working at BCT or visiting our site. We plan, manage, conduct, and supervise all our work in compliance with legislation and industry practice. This video has been prepared to ensure that you have a clear understanding of your responsibilities. BCT is fully International Ship and Port Security Code ISPS compliant. Anyone found stealing, trespassing, causing malicious damage to terminal property, being aggressive or violent, will be immediately removed from the terminal and reported to the South African Police Service. BCT has 12 life-saving rules. Any transgression of these rules may result in your removal from the site. Any prohibited items are to be left inside the truck cab at all times when inside the terminal. The following are prohibited in the terminal: smoking, drugs and alcohol, cameras, mobile phones, cigarette lighters, matches and torches, firearms, reversing under the loading gantry. There's only one designated smoking zone, which is located at the front of the office building. Access for bulk vehicle operators or bulk truck operators is through the main truck entrance. When arriving, you are to show your BCT card to the security officer, who will record your entry in the access log. Your exit from the premises will also be recorded, and this log will be used for the accounting of personnel in the event of an evacuation. There is a truck staging area that you can use as you wait to load. Please do not sit along the concrete blocks near the sea, as this is not safe and you may fall into the water. Ablution facilities or restrooms are available next to the truck entrance area. Any waste produced must be placed in the appropriate waste bin. They are appropriately labeled general waste and hazardous waste and are located next to the loading gantry. Please report all incidents, accidents, near misses or unsafe situations promptly so that they can be corrected immediately. You will not be blamed or victimized for reporting. There is a first aid kit at the security office. Please notify us if you are in need of first aid. In case you get diesel or any other chemical into your eyes or your body, please make use of the emergency eye wash and shower located at the loading bays. The speed limit within the terminal is 15 kilometers per hour. Please comply with all traffic or road rules. Heed any warning signs or roadblocks that have been put in place. Under no circumstances may you remove or fail to obey them. They are there for your own safety. Always ensure that you have one hand on the railing when using access ladders. During an emergency, an alarm point will be triggered. Stop what you are doing immediately. Keep calm and do not run. Using the most direct route, proceed to the exit gate. Once there, you should wait until the roll is called and you are noted as being present. After that, you will be notified as to whether it's necessary to proceed to the emergency assembly point located at the front of the office building or not. Leave your vehicle in the loading bay or parking until you are told otherwise. Check-in. When you arrive at the entrance gate, please register your vehicle with the security officer. The officer will guide you to which bay is available for you to load. Get out of the vehicle and choke it. Always follow the instructions of the operators or security officers. Failure to follow instructions will lead to you and your vehicle being blacklisted. Vehicles are only inspected during the day. Operations to be notified a day before the inspections take place. The following will be checked: your driver's license, TNPA card and BCT card, truck trailer licenses and permits, your safe loading pass and HazChem flammable certificate, your truck calibration certificate and overfull functionality test certificates, compartment capacities indicated on the top of the tank, which should not exceed the calibration volumes, earthing studs, tire conditions, fire extinguisher, battery cover, master switch can disable truck, overall condition of the vehicle, for example leaks. If all the requirements are met, then your truck is allowed into the loading bay. Loading and exit. You must wear the following personal protective equipment, PPE, in order to load at the loading gantry. Hard hat. Polycarbonate construction with fully adjustable 4-point harness. Must meet SANS 1397 or EN 397. Fire retardant coveralls. These must meet SANS 1423 or ASTM 105. Safety glasses or goggles. Safety shoes or boots. Soles must be resistant to oil, petrol, acids, and should be non-slip. They must meet SANS 1167 or 1168. Gloves. These must be chemical resistant and meet SANS 316 and EN 374. Gloves must be the correct type for the job and/or product being handled. You will be issued with an access badge, which you must always display and be ready to produce at any time. You must always sign in and out so that you can be accounted for in case of an emergency. While under the loading gantry, always follow BCT loading procedures. Alight from your vehicle and choke your tires. Turn off the master switch. Ground your vehicle. Confirm that all compartments are empty. Proceed to load the truck as per loading procedure. Dipping is not allowed. When loading is complete, check all hoses are disconnected. Check surrounding area to see if it is safe to move the vehicle out from the gantry. Print the bill of loading before exiting. Choke the vehicle. We count on you to help us to ensure a safe and pleasant work environment. Our objective is clear. Every day the target is the same. Go home safe.